2006 question 10a. Solve this differential equation. Looks straightforward enough, but there's a little bit of a tricky part to it. dy over dx is equal to xy over 1 plus x. So if we divide by y, we're going to get dy over y is equal to, we need to multiply by dx. We're going to have the x on top. We're going to have 1 plus x on the bottom. dx. And we need to integrate these. And we're told that y is equal to e when x is equal to 0. Now, the one that we normally integrate is 1 over x, or 1 over x, something in terms of x goes to the natural log of x. So if we could get this guy into that format, it would make it a little bit easier. And it actually brings in a minus here. So to get x on top and 1 plus x on the bottom, separating them to get 1 over 1 plus x. So we want to have 1 over 1 plus x. What do we have to have here? Well, if I want an x on top, I'd have a 1 here to multiply by this guy. So that's going to give me a 1 plus x on top, and then I'd have to take away 1. So imagine we're going to have a 1 plus x already on top. I need to take away 1, so there'll be a 1 here, and that would be a minus. So this separation becomes 1 over 1, or just 1 minus 1 over 1 plus x, to make it easier to integrate between x and 0. And we know this guy becomes the natural log of y between y and e. So we're going to get the natural log of y minus the natural log of e is equal to, integrating 1 becomes x, and integrating 1 over 1 plus x becomes the natural log of the bottom, which is 1 plus x. And we're doing that between x and 0. So the natural log of y, natural log of e is 1 equals, putting x in, we're going to get x minus the natural log of 1 plus x. And then putting 0 in, we're going to get minus, we're going to get 0 minus the natural log of 1, which is also equal to 0. So we're just going to get the natural log of y is equal to x minus the natural log of 1 plus x. Bringing the minus 1 over, we get plus 1. So e to the power of the right hand side is equal to y, e to the power of x minus the natural log of 1 plus x plus 1 is equal to y. So be careful if you get this one in 2022. This is one of my tips. Final year of this question.